Shiburi guys, what is happening? Vimal here, back again with a brand new video. If you guys remember, around 2 weeks ago, I got my hands on a brand new Alienware gaming laptop, right? Their new gen M16 R2. It's got some killer specs on board, and I have been using this laptop as my daily driver, guys, doing variety of things like productivity stuff, creativity works, and not to miss out, obviously gaming. I've told you, right? It's powered by Intel's Core Ultra series CPUs, paired with RTX 40 series, and other specs and stuff are also like very interesting. So today in this video I'll be sharing like a detailed experience feedback and obviously like a full review, guys, and all your questions about this laptop will be answered in this video. I have already made like a detailed unboxing and overview video a couple of days ago. In case if you actually missed watching that video, right, I'll leave a link to that in the card above. Go watch it because that is like the first part, and today we'll be continuing where I left off, guys. Basically like the second part and more diving into the performance, thermals, and all of that stuff. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. And by the way, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel so you guys can watch all of these videos as soon as I post them. First, let's talk about the design and build quality of this brand new Alienware M16 R2 gaming laptop. Very clean and minimalistic looking design, guys, but yes, you're also getting Alien Effects RGB lighting as well. On the top lid, you're getting a beautiful mirror finished Alienware logo that is also RGB illuminated, and below that you're getting a 16 imprinted, guys. Looks very cool. Talking about the build quality, entire body is made of anodized aluminum finishing and definitely feels quite durable and solid. See, if you're looking for a powerhouse laptop in a compact form factor, maybe you travel a lot, or maybe for on the go sort of usage, you do creativity, productivity stuff, maybe while waiting at the airport, or you play a lot of games while traveling, right? This could actually fit your job. One more thing you'll notice is, to add to the overall laptop's design, on the new M16 R2, they've removed the rear thermal shelf which was present on the previous R1 for enhanced mobility with plenty thermal support for performance. So what I'll do is I'll give you like a closer look at the laptop, and first of all show you all the available I/O connectivity ports. Starting off from the left profile, you're getting a big exhaust vent, followed by Ethernet LAN port is also there. 3.5mm audio jack is also available, and this one is your left channel speaker. There is nothing on the front profile. Going to the right side, here you're getting some more ports. Right channel speaker, followed by micro SD card slot is also available. Two USB 3.2 Gen 1 ports are available, and this one is also your exhaust vent. Remaining ports are placed at the back profile of the laptop. First of all, you're getting two more exhaust vents, and at the center you're getting two USB-C ports that supports Thunderbolt 4.0, double up as DP port as well, and you're getting a full-size HDMI as well and a DC in port for the adapter. So let's move on and talk about the main aspects of the laptop, starting off with the display and speaker quality. Alienware M16 R2 features a 16 inches Quad HD Plus, literally 2560 by 1600, 240 Hz 3 millisecond 100% sRGB color gamut support IPS level display. And I'm telling you, right, I've been using this laptop for quite some time over the past few days, and I had like a really good experience. Display quality is top notch for the price that you're paying. I've played and watched a variety of content on this display, guys, movies, web series on Netflix and other OTT platforms, and also used it for like productivity, creativity sort of stuff, and obviously gaming as well, and I was like very happy and satisfied with the results. Good amount of detail. Obviously you're getting like 2560 by 1600 resolution at 16 inches. Everything is like crisp and clear, easily readable. Contrast levels are also nice, and black levels are also decent. And coming to the colors, top notch and accurate looking colors. Obviously panel supports 100% sRGB color gamut range, right? So no matter what sort of content you're watching, everything, color reproduction, color accuracy, were on point is what I can say. So especially if you do a lot of creativity works or productivity stuff, maybe like color grading, you edit a lot of images, or maybe like video editing as well, right? This laptop could definitely get your job done. Keeping that aside, brightness of the panel was also pretty nice. Panel could easily go up to like 300-320 nits, so I had no issues checking out the display even in like brightly lit rooms. And on the overall, I'm telling you, right, you'll be like very happy and satisfied. Not to miss out, panel is also Dolby Vision supported, so especially if you're watching movies in Dolby Vision HDR, right, you will be like blown away by the overall panel quality on the Alienware M16 R2. Keeping that aside, let me also tell you about the speakers. You're getting on-board stereo speakers, each of 2 watts, so totally it can produce around 4 watts of output, and not to miss out, Dolby Atmos support. Usually I'm not that satisfied with the built-in speaker, especially on gaming laptops, guys, but that was not the case over here. Alienware has definitely done a good job. I've watched variety of content like couple of movies and also web series as well, and especially vocal clarity and dialogues were like on point, guys, easily understandable, and audio output is also loud, crisp crisp and clear. Treble performance is also nice. You'll be like very happy and satisfied with both the display and stereo speakers performance. One more highlight I forgot to mention is the new Alienware M16 R2 also features a special stealth mode. In case if you want a more professional sort of look with clean aesthetics whenever maybe you're at work or meetings, right? All you need to do is just click function plus F2 and this will toggle stealth mode. This will set the laptop's profile to quiet mode, turns off all the alien effects lighting and changes the keyboard backlight to white color. So now you can work or maybe take notes or watch videos without any sort of distractions. I know you people have been waiting for this part, right? How is the overall performance on this new gen Alienware M16 R2? Well, before we directly get to the benchmarks, first of all, let me tell you about the hardware configuration and specs. So this laptop is available in like multiple configurations, different CPUs, different GPU options are there. Today in the home, we have the top spec variant powered by Intel's Core Ultra 9 185H, which is literally a 16 core 22 thread monster CPU with a max turbo clock of up to 5.1 GHz. Not to miss out, it is also paired with an RTX 4070 GPU which comes with 8 gigs of GDDR6 memory, that too with 140 watt TGP. Talking about the RAM and storage part, so on board we are getting 32 GB dual channel RAM DDR5 clocked at 5600 MHz and also 1 TB PCI Gen 4 SSD. Good thing is storage is also expandable, you're getting a spare M.2 slot. So unlike the older gen CPUs where you used to get two clusters of CPUs, P cores and E cores, here you're actually getting one more set of low power E cores. So totally that gives you around like 6 P cores, 8 E cores and 2 more extra LPE cores that automatically assign respective tasks and gets your job done much more efficiently. Plus not to miss out that all new NPU neural processing unit called as Intel AI Boost, specifically designed to handle all your AI workloads and applications. I have been using this laptop for the past few days and laptop was performing very well guys, swift, snappy and quite responsive. I was running the laptop with variety of applications like having a bunch of Edge tabs open in the background, browsing the web, running 1080p videos on YouTube and simultaneously doing a bit of Photoshop. Nothing seemed to slow it down. Muska performance is what I can say. What Photoshop? I could even do like 4K video editing on Premiere Pro with really good results. I mean look at the timeline performance over here. I didn't face any sorts of lag, stutters, nothing like that. I'm telling you right, the hardware on board on this Alienware M16 R2 is like very powerful and can easily cover all your productive and creative sort of applications. Keeping that aside, I've also ran some benchmarks, just have a look at them, Geekbench and also Cinebench. I know you people are like really excited about the gaming performance on this machine and also about the thermals. So without wasting any more time, let's directly get over there. Now considering the hardware we have on our variant, which is Intel Core Ultra 9 185H paired with an RTX 4070 8GB edition, right? This sort of hardware can easily handle 1440p gaming guys. 1080p gaming though don't even ask. Even with maximum graphics applied, you can easily get like triple digit FPS. That is the reason I'll be showing you all the gameplay benchmarks at 1440p resolution to really test out the max potential of this hardware. Anyways, without wasting any more time, let's directly get started with our first game, which is Cyberpunk 2077. As I've told you, we'll be playing this game at its native resolution, 1440p resolution, and all the graphics maxed out, basically very high preset, and we'll be doing like different kinds of tests. In this first particular test, I'm not using any NVIDIA technologies like no upscaling, no DLSS, no frame generation as well, and no ray tracing as well. I want to show you the raw rasterization performance. Oh, not bad guys. I mean look at this, we're playing Cyberpunk 2077 at 1440p max graphic settings and still getting around like 45 to 50 FPS. Quite impressive performance I would say. But wait until you actually enable DLSS and frame generation. That is going to greatly improve the results. So let's quickly go to the settings, enable them, and now check out the difference. Holy moly, now this is what I'm talking about. I mean look at the kind of improvement it's bringing guys. Where was 45-50 FPS, now we are getting almost like 95 to 100 FPS guys at 1440p max settings. I'm telling you right, the new gen Alienware M16 R2 is a gaming beast guys. No matter what sort of AAA title game you throw at it, it can handle it like a champ. Okay, why not let's also try out ray tracing at 1440p. Can the machine actually handle that? Let's quickly see. So I've enabled ray tracing set to very high preset and also DLSS frame generation, both are on, and boys look at the result. Even with ray tracing enabled at 1440p max graphics settings, we were still getting a consistent and smooth results around like 75 to 80 FPS guys. No lags, no stutters, nothing like that. Buttery smooth gaming experience on the system. Not just Cyberpunk, I've also played a couple of other AAA titles like Assassin's Creed. I mean look at this, we're playing right now Horizon Forbidden West. Same at 1440p resolution only, very high graphics preset, and without DLSS and frame generation also, we were getting around like 45 to 50 FPS guys, and in certain scenes consistent 60 FPS as well. Smooth AAA experience, I would say. But if you actually enable DLSS and frame generation, you will easily hit around like 75-80 plus FPS only guys. So I'm telling you, right, you'll be like very happy and satisfied with the gaming performance on the M16R2. But if you actually want to fully utilize the display's potential up to 240Hz, simply lower down the resolution, keeping the graphics same as before, and that's it. You'll easily get triple digit FPS guys. I'm telling you, right, a dream for all the gamers out there. Okay, let's also quickly have a look at the thermals. You can check out all the CPU stats at the top left corner. Thermal performance has been greatly improved on the newer model M16R2. I mean, look at that. Even under heavy gaming loads at 1440p resolution, CPU max temperatures were fluctuating only around like 72 to 73 degrees centigrade guys, which is pretty normal considering a gaming laptop of this caliber. We're almost coming to an end, so let's also talk about the battery life. You people know, right, on board we are getting a 90 watt hour battery along with a slim power adapter, 240 watt rated, on a moderate sort of usage with the brightness set to around like 45-50%, doing your day-to-day related work, maybe like checking mails and also drafting some Word documents, and not to miss out watching some YouTube videos at 1080p resolution. With this sort of usage, I was easily getting around like 4 to 4.5 hours of battery life on a single charge. But if you actually try playing games on battery, which nobody usually does on a gaming laptop, obviously battery life will be a bit lower. You'll get only around like 1 to 1.5 hour of battery life. But not to worry, you're getting a 240 watt power adapter, right? So it quickly tops up the battery life. Well, that is pretty much it. Time to wrap it up our video on Alienware's new gen M16R2. It's a beautiful looking laptop. Love the design and also the performance as well. You're getting great killer specs, I would say, and also pretty decent battery life considering it's a gaming category laptop. Talking about the pricing details, so the starting price of the M16R2 roughly costs around like 1,54,990 rupees, and our particular variant, which features an Intel Core Ultra 9 paired with an RTX 4070, roughly costs around like 2,17,599 rupees. I'll leave all the links for that in the description box below. You can check it out there. If you all enjoyed watching it, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.